Let's see forward. Newspaper occasionally publish supplements to the regular edition or special issues. For example, World War commenced in 1914. Year 2014 marked the 100th year of this event. In order to be able to publish a newspaper supplement or special issue to commemorate the occasion, one needs to review its history. And in 2017, 75 years were completed after the announcement of Quit India movement. On such occasion, newspaper highlight the event through various articles, editorials, column, like what happened in history on this day. Understand what happened in the history on this day? They have to wrote like that. Reviews, etc. The knowledge of history is essential for writing of such type. ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पे दिए हैं जिससे क्या होता है हिस्ट्री में जो घटित हुआ है वो हमें पता चलता है. हिस्ट्री इज essential in planning radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings of all speeches delivered each year by the Prime Minister of India 15 अगस्त. आकाशवाणी ने क्या किया है हर 15 अगस्त का स्पीच रिकॉर्ड किया है जो अभी तक उन्होंने क्या किया है प्रिजर्व किया है. Akashvani invites historians as experts for discussion on various occasions such as anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Lectures on the contribution of various national leaders need to be supported. Historical information programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. Okay. While presenting programs celebrating Independence Day, Republic Day, references of speeches made by previous Prime Minister, Presidents are preserved in Akashvani. Their record will be preserved. Knowledge of history is essential while planning radio programs. Okay, television channels. आकाशवाणी में क्या होता है जो प्रेजेंटिंग प्रोग्राम थे ऑन दिस डे ऑन हिस्ट्री दे गिव द नॉलेज ऑफ आवर हिस्ट्री. दे प्रेजेंट अ प्रोग्राम लाइक ऑन दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री. वो क्या करते हैं एक प्रोग्राम प्रेजेंट करते हैं ऑन दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री और उसमें क्या बताते हैं द नॉलेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री. एंड दैट नॉलेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री इज वेरी हेल्पफुल while presenting programs on historical events, leaders, conducting discussion on the same. Okay. Television channel also telecast programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels help in creating interest in history among people through their historical show and serials. The mythological and historical serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharat Ek Khoj, Raja Shiva Chhatrapati attracted a very large ऑडियंस. इट इज आपने अगर देखा है रामायण जो अभी भी फेमस है, महाभारत इस लॉकडाउन में जो जब स्टार्ट किया था रामायण महाभारत तो भारत एक खोज, राजा शिव छत्रपति, इसमें तो सब जो पुराने थे मतलब पुराने ज़माने के जो बोलते हैं जो अभी ओल्ड है वो भी एक्साइटेड हुए थे ये सीरियल्स देखने के लिए. वाइल प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स मेंटेनिंग एक्यूरेसी विथ रिगार्ड टू प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, outfits, weaponry, lifestyles, legal expression, etc. is essential. One needs to have a deep understanding of history of the concerned period. Okay. Currently, channels like Discovery, National Geographic, History, etc. have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. It has enabled the people to view the historical and geographical wonders at home. To make such programs more entertaining, some parts of serial are actually enacted by actors such as the character of heroic men, women, sportsman, army chief. Besides these serials about ancient monuments, forts, histories of empires and also the history of culinary arts are watched by the large number of people with the great interest. People with the deep knowledge of histories in the respective field are sought out in all the fields of mentioned above. While producing historical and mythological serials, maintaining accuracy with regard to presentation of environmental outfits, weaponry, lifestyle, lingual expression, etc. is essential, and that gives who produce that television produce. वी शुड हैव टू डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिस्ट्री ऑफ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड. ये किससे पता चलता है हमें? टेलीविजन से पता चलता है. इन ऑर्डर टू प्रेजेंट प्रोग्राम्स ऑन लाइव, ऑन प्लेयर्स, सोल्जर्स, हीरोइक मैन एंड वुमेन, अचीवर्स, एम्पायर्स के बारे में, फोर्ट्स के, हेरिटेज के बारे में, जो नॉलेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री है, जो ज़रूरत की जो हिस्ट्री है, नॉलेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री विच इज़ नेसेसरी एंड दैट गिव्स अस because of that mass media, that is television. Students, here we complete the lesson. I will send you exercise. You have to try to solve it and also learn the question answers. Learn that, you would find this interesting. It is a most important information for you. Read it and understand it. Okay, thank you.